What's up, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. Welcome to another update on Solana. Solana is in an interesting point because Solana has moved up in sort of a five-wave fashion. It looks like a five-wave. It could be complete forming a bigger wave one. We don't know yet. It depends on the retracement. If we get a retracement for a wave one and say that will be our wave two, only to expect a third wave to the upside, our wave one could take us anywhere, but the retracement of a wave two down could take us anywhere between the 0.5 fib, which would be at 16.5, or the 618 at 14.4, or even the 786 at 11.48. But the golden pocket over here coincides nicely with this blue line, which is the 50 EMA on the daily, which could be held as support. So that's a level, possible entry spot where people could want to go long, because that you'd be catching the bigger wave up. I wouldn't enter long at the moment. However, Solana could have some more juice in the tank to go to that level I've been talking about for a while, the $26 range, and I'm going to explain why I think the $26 is significant. For starters, if we go left to the 5th of November, and on the hourly chart, when we are still up there, you would see that Solana on the $26 range is a point where it's sold off, so we have liquidity there. If we're able to break above that, I think we could possibly even go as high as this level, the $32 to $33 range. But I expect a $26 wick. We might come down, bounce, break down. Why I think the $26 may be a wick? Because if we go to the chart and look at this level, we have the 618 and 65 Fibonacci retracement between the $27 and $28 range, where we could expect the 26 breakout, wick above here, only to get rejected. However, this rejection might be, doesn't have to be the end of the pump. It could be the end of the pump. We have to be open-minded, but it could also be the retracement for the level, for the wave two. This move by Solana essentially looks impulsive. Everything's moving up very fast, so be aware of your levels of resistance to the upside. Your level to support, as I showed you on the daily, you have the $19 to $20 range, which would be a significant level. On the daily, you have the 50 EMA on the daily at around the $16 range. On the 4-hourly, you have a level of support at around 18.343, and slightly above that at the level of 19.5 you have the 50 EMA. This is an insufficiency in the chart. This big green candle, this is a candle that looks juicy and recoverable. We are at the 4 on the daily, we are at the 0.5 fib, and we are at the 800 EMA on the 4-hourly chart. So we are at some sort of support. We are contracting. On the 1-hourly, we are getting close to that 50 EMA on the 1-hourly. So if we start losing the 50 EMA on the hourly, and you see the 5 and 13 EMA crossing over as they are now, the yellow line is getting below the red line, and if they start crossing below the 50 EMA and expanding, then that could be a possible short-term problem for Solana. If you start seeing this, the 5 comes down and the 13 comes down, they cross the 50 will be somewhere here, and you get that expansion. That could be the move down. Now, is it going to be a retracement or is it going to be a dump? We'll have to wait and see. My opinion is that the lows are not in, but everyone has their opinion, and I mean, we should all respect that everyone has a different opinion. Anyways, that's it for Solana. Hope you liked the video, and hit the like, subscribe to the channel, join the free Discord. One more word of advice before I go: use stop loss and don't trade on anyone's ideas. Trade on your own, not financial advice. Just look at the 4-hourly volume before you go. Volume is declining as we moved up. On the move up, this entire move up. This is on the daily. Volume declining. We get a spike, we move up, volume declining, spike, volume declining. All right, that's it. More trades. I'm out.